it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm posting this a little later than I wanted to, but I still wanted to get out a bunch of amazing scenarios using those digital boosters that became available for next week. So I did post it on my Instagram to make sure you clip them as fast as you can. They do disappear a lot of times when enough people clip them and send them to your card. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at Bree the Coupon Queen. I do separate giveaways on my Instagram. I post a lot of updates when new rebates happen, when those boosters become available, different digital coupons, so on and so forth. So a lot of amazing information on my Instagram as well. So again, the digital boosters, where to find them. So these are under that household category again. So what you're going to do is open up the Walgreens app. I know they updated it and it's super confusing to kind of navigate. I still haven't figured out on the app how to look at the ad preview for the next week. I've been having to use my desktop computer, so kind of a pain in the butt, but we will figure it out and get through it. So what you're going to do is go to the coupon folder. At the top, there's a bunch of different categories: beauty, baby, personal care. Household is also a category, so you're going to click that. There's about 15 different coupons in there, so you're just going to scroll down and see if you have it. Not all accounts get it. They may have disappeared by now as well. I'm not sure. So just double check. There are 4 available. The additional one available that I personally did not clip was the $3 off 15, I believe. So I would rather have $5 off than $3 off, and I don't plan on doing 4 different transactions. So that's why I went ahead and didn't clip that one. I clipped these instead. The $3 off would probably come off first, so that's why I did not clip that. Of course, it is your choice, whatever you guys want to clip. Couple tips on these boosters. You can pay with points, which is why I love them so much. We can have super low out-of-pockets. Now, keep in mind, if you're doing a spend deal, you don't want to pay with points. So it kind of depends. Walgreens is a little tricky sometimes. Each booster is a one-time use coupon, so it will come off at checkout and lower your out-of-pocket cost, which is awesome. If it's a spend deal that you're doing, for example, the Schick razor deal is a spend 25, get 8,000 points back. If it's a spend deal, your total has to be that spend amount. So, for example, for the Schick razor deal, $25 after any Walgreens store coupons. And these digital boosters in the system count as a Walgreens store coupon. So you want to make sure that you're very careful with that. And of course, you want it to be if it's the $5 off 20, you have to spend 20. If you do $19.99, it will not work. Walgreens is to the penny. So you just want to make sure that you're watching your totals. Pricing does vary per location. So just check your math before you guys check out. I always kind of recalculate everything that's in my cart to make sure everything is going to go through. So this is an example of what not to do. This is a bad example, but I wanted to share it with you first. So for that Schick deal that I did in my must-do deals video, if you haven't checked that out yet, it will be linked at the end of this video. What I said to do was grab 2 of the Schick razors and 2 of the non-disposables. You'd be using some coupons from the 719 inserts. All of that is fine and dandy. However, your total is $29.96. So as of it stands, it's fine. You're past the $25. But then if you do this when the booster comes off, the 5 off of 20, $5 of a Walgreens coupon is going to come off. Now your total is $24.96. You're 4 cents under the spend 25 deal. It will not work. You will not get back the 8,000 points, which would be a huge bummer. So what I would recommend is wait till your boosters are gone if you want to do this deal. Otherwise, what you would have to do is pick up like another Schick disposable razor, which would make the deal not even worth it because the $4 off coupons have a limit of 2 each. So that's why I put 2 of each. So now I want to get into some amazing scenarios. We have 2 different moneymaker scenarios, tons of super low out-of-pockets, $1, $2, $3 out-of-pocket. So this is the first scenario using the $5 off a $12 purchase booster. What you can do is the Tide laundry deal. So It is $4.99 each, and when you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward. So what you can do is buy 2 of the Tide Liquid and 1 Tide Pod. We have some digital coupons still available if you haven't used them yet. $2 Tide Liquid and a $2 Tide Pod Digital. Then you're going to want to use a $2 Tide Liquid PG coupon from the July P&G insert. They expire on the 25th, so this is going to be the last week to use those. So now your total is $14.97. That is why I put it with the 5 off 12 scenario and not the 5 off of 15, because you would be 3 cents shy. So with this deal, total for your coupons is $11 because we have 2, 4, 6 right here, and then the $5 is going to come off as well as a coupon. So that takes off $11, making your final cost paying out of pocket $3.97 plus taxes, and you'll get back a $5 register reward. You can use points, so taxes will put you over $4. If you want to use $4 in points, you can. You should spend like $1 in taxes out of pocket. Then you're going to get back that $5 register reward. So definitely an amazing deal. Final cost is free and a $1.03 moneymaker. Always like to start off with a bang. Start off with a great moneymaker and low out-of-pocket deal for you guys. Here is another scenario with focusing on some food deals. So you can grab 2 of the Arizona iced teas. Next week, they're 2 for $1. I actually have 2 of the green teas in my fridge. I haven't tried them yet. So let me know if there is an Arizona tea product that you guys like the most. I grabbed some of the juices last time. They weren't really my favorite. I just kind of used them for my mimosas and things like that. Then you're going to grab 2 of the General Mills cereals. They're $1.99 each next week. So you're going to grab 2 that are included. 2 Lay's chips, as you see in the photo here, Doritos, things like that are all included. They are $6. And 1 of the Oreos. They are $2.99. Your total is $13.97. The coupons, the only coupon that I found is $1 off 2 for the General Mills. It is a digital coupon. So this is the breakdown. Your total again, $13.97. Your coupons, you had the $1 digital and the $5 booster coupon comes off. It's going to be $6. You're going to pay $7.97 out of pocket. If you want to roll $5 in points, you can. Then you would pay just $2.97 plus tax. You're going to get back 75 cents from Saving Star for the Oreos and 75 cents for the Swag Bucks. That is for the Oreos as well. Your final cost now is just $6.47 for all 7 items, or 92 cents each. I thought that was definitely a great deal for some chips, Oreos, all that under $1. I wanted to definitely share that as a great scenario for you. And my third scenario for the same booster, the 5 off of 12, is going to be on the Dove. They're on sale next week. Buy 2, get 2,000 points, and they're 2 for $12. So you're going to grab 2 of them. In the Retail Me Not insert, we're getting $1 off coupons. You're going to use 2 of them. I think it's from the Retail Me Not. I have to double check. So your total is $12. Coupons will be $7 because, again, $2 here, $5 from the purchase booster. You'll pay $5 out of pocket plus taxes. If you want to use 5,000 points, again, you can. You'll pay just taxes out of pocket. Get back 2,000 points from doing the deal. Final cost is $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. This does also track towards Walgreens Beauty. For every $50 in beauty products that you spend at Walgreens, you will get back 5,000 points, which I wound up hitting today doing those amazing Shea Moisture deals. If you haven't caught my 2 run deals yet, definitely check them out. I will have them linked at the end of this video as well. So now let's move on to the next booster. This one is the 5 off of 15 booster. My first scenario I want to share with you is on the Tresemme. I am definitely going to be doing this deal. We haven't had many amazing Tresemme deals in a while, except for that Shopkick deal, which hopefully it'll still be going on because that would be a moneymaker. So stay tuned for my Ibotta haul next week. So in this scenario for Tresemme, they are on sale. When you buy 4, you'll get a $4 register reward. Now, these Tresemme Professionals are 2 for $10, but if you see down here, the 28-ounce bottles are 2 for $8. So that's how I got the pricing for this. You're going to grab 4 of them. Total is going to be $16. You're going to use 2 of the $4 off 2 coupons we're getting in the Retail Me Not insert. Some regions will get a 3 off 2. It just depends on your region. So again, total $16. Coupons, we have $8 in manufacturer coupons and the $5 purchased coupon. Now you'll pay just $3 plus taxes out of pocket. If you want to roll $3 in points, you can. You'll pay just taxes out of pocket, super low out of pocket. You know that is my #1 goal on this channel. And you're going to get back that $4 register reward, making your final cost free and another $1 moneymaker. So this deal is my favorite. This is definitely going to be the one that I do for the 5 off of 15 purchase booster. Another scenario for you guys, picking up some makeup products and more razors. So the Gillette disposable is on sale. Buy one, get a $3 register reward. So picking up exactly what's in the photo, it's $7.99. Then Revlon again is on sale next week. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. There are so many register reward deals, which is awesome. We want to stack up on those register rewards. So when we have that spend 20, get 5,000 point booster that prints at the Catalina or anything like that, any spend deals that you want to do, we have register rewards in our back pocket that we can use to lower our out-of-pocket costs for future deals. So that's why I wanted to make sure I'm sharing all these with you. So the cheapest product for Revlon is the Kiss Balm. I've done it a couple times in previous weeks. They are $4.99. Some stores are up to $5.29. It just depends on your region. So the only coupon is the $3 digital for the Gillette. I don't have any Revlon coupons and there aren't any coming in the inserts, unfortunately. Fingers crossed we get some really good Revlon and Almay coupons soon. In the past, we've gotten like buy one, get one free eye and lip products. And boy, have we stocked up when those happen. So hopefully those will come around again. We haven't had those in quite a while. So let's go over the breakdown. Total for these products is $17.98. Coupons is $8. We have the $3 digital and the $5 purchase-based coupon. We'll pay just $9.98. Get back a $5 register reward for the Revlon deal and a $3 register reward from the Gillette deal, making your final cost for this one $1.98 for 3 items or 66 cents each. That is definitely an amazing, amazing price point for razors because razors are so expensive nowadays. Now let's move on to the next booster, the 5 off of 20 purchase booster. This is my scenario for this booster, picking up some paper products and a ton of household items. So you're going to grab one of these Charmin 6 Mega Rolls. They're on sale $7.99. 3 Arm & Hammer, they're on sale down here, 3 for $6.99. 1 Persil at $4.99 and a small Dawn, it is the 7-ounce bottle, on sale next week, 99 cents. The reason why I grabbed that is because I needed another filler item to get me over the $20 so the purchase booster would work. So total is $20.96. I couldn't find any paper product coupons. We have not been getting many paper product coupons, and the Walgreens website and the coupon folder was just kind of tweaking out and giving me some issues today. So drop a comment if you find any paper product coupons so that way we can make sure we're using those in these scenarios. There is a $2 digital for Persil though. So you want to make sure you have that clipped and sent to your card. There were some from a previous insert. I just don't know. I didn't check it to see the expiration date if that would still be available. And the breakdown. So again, total $20.96. Coupons is $7. We will pay $13.96 plus taxes. If you want to roll $10 in points, you can. Then you would pay just $3.97 plus taxes. Swag Bucks is giving back 43 Swag Bucks or 43 cents for Arm & Hammer and 105 Swag Bucks or $1.05 for the Charmin, making your final cost now $12.48 for 7 items or $1.78 each. Now let's back up here. You are getting 6 mega rolls of Charmin, so 6 equals 24 for just $1.78 each. I definitely thought that was an amazing deal. I know a lot of us are still trying to stock up on paper products. I have 3 Scott paper towel products. Other than that, I have no paper products. I still need to stock up on toilet paper. I have some tissues and things like that, but we don't really use that too much in my house. If you guys have any questions or anything, as always, drop a comment, let me know. Give the video a big thumbs up for me. Share it with your friends and family. If they're trying to save on any household products or deals for next week, they can definitely take advantage of these with those digital boosters. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.